Hi, birdie. Hello. Hello. Pretty bird. Pretty birdie. You're hanging upside down. You're an acrobat. You're an acrobat. Whoops. And I just... Oh, I can open the window. Hello. Hey, birdie. Hello. Is your nest out there? There's another one. Where'd it go? There's one over there on top of the banana leaves. Oh, there's two of them down there.
Is it time to eat?
I think so. I'm videoing the birdies.
Okay, I'm naked.
Oh, whoops.
Turn on that bird. Not that I never remember to bring my clothes in.
There's birdies down there.
Your bird friends are adorbs. They love you.
I know, aren't they neat?
Yes.
The one was hanging upside down from the prom fronds here.
He was hanging upside down?
Yeah, I leaned up against this window. I didn't realize it opened up and I almost fell out the window. I'm like, whoa. There's kind of fruit in this tree. I don't know what it is. I think that's a plantain. Those are plantain trees down there. Cool. There they are.
Little buddies.
Yeah. I saw a blue one the other morning that was kind of this similar kind of bird, it looked like.
Cool.
It was pretty. I keep hearing something chirping down there at the bottom of where there is, but I can't see what it is. Down at the bottom of the plantain tree.